The start of the spring season, this year's Climate Forum at the Desert Research Institute was focused on the impressive winter season we had this past year. Meteorologist Angela Schilling attended the forum. She joins us now live in the newsroom with more. Angela, what was the main message here?
That the impressive winter we've had is a learning experience. There's a ton of data to look at, but all of it is important. We might just need it in the years to come. Climate is like history, an opportunity to research the past and look for patterns in case it happens again. This year continues to be one of a kind.
There's a lot of data to keep track of, and it definitely kept us busy trying to analyze all the snowpack data and the precipitation data.
Just by looking at the Truckee River, you can tell the pattern has changed. We most recently experienced the wettest October through February in northwestern Nevada. And as of April 1st, Nevada's snowpack is anywhere between 110 to 220% of normal.
The big thing is the drastic change that we've seen from being in a drought for so many years to going from essentially out of the drought in over a span of a few months.
Climate and forecasting goes hand in hand. A good forecaster recognizes patterns. For instance, in order to get rid of a drought, you may need to flood. Weak La Nina years can bring more flooding to the area. But data also shows the uncertainty with global patterns and how the weather can change month to month.
By November, we were all thinking, okay, this is we're probably seeing another year of drought. And then as we moved into December, January, February, we had these very wet months, a series of atmospheric river storms back to back.
Our previous weather will have a lasting impact on our environment, too.
So this year provides a lot of examples of conditions that are conducive to these post-fire debris flows and shallow landslides that really make for great case studies to help us understand these.
This year's weather will also play a role in fire season. Climatologists will be taking notes. At the forum, they also mentioned the spring flood outlook. Climate tells us a preferred scenario would be for us to start the melting process now, opposed to later when temperatures will be warmer. Covering the story live in the newsroom, Angela Schilling, Channel 2 News.